guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and happy Friday. Today let's talk about dull skin and why never have I ever seen any models have this, because honestly their skin is like perfect in every photo, even in person. It's just glowing and radiant. But how do they do this? I have found this little skincare secret that so many models use that give them beautiful, gorgeous, radiant, and smooth looking skin, and I'm ready to show it to you. But first, is your skin texture rough? Does your skin lack radiance? And do you want your skin to glow without any makeup? If you need a quick skin pick-me-up, this video is for you. I've also partnered up with Murad to share with you guys my best tips and tricks on how to get that model glow. Also, if you guys haven't done this already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I post weekly and I love to see you guys here. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started.
Let's start this routine off with cleaning the face. Here I'll be using the Honest Beauty Gel Cleanser. This is such an amazing cleanser. I absolutely love it. It has calming chamomile and calendula in it. I gently use my hands and go in circular motions around the face. This also removes makeup and is mild enough to use morning and night without over drying the skin. To help revive dull skin, I'll be splashing on some cold water to give it a nice refresh. Then I'm going to just pat dry and go on to the next step, which is steaming your face. I do this weekly and I find that it totally helps revive dull skin. I'll even put a little bit of lavender oil into the steamer. Are you ready for the big secret? It's vitamin C. This is one of the biggest reasons why models always have beautiful skin. I've been using the Murad Environmental Shield Vita-C Glycolic Brightening Serum after cleansing to help improve hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. I take 2 pumps of this and gently apply all over the face and neck. I can actually feel it working, little gentle tingly sensations on the skin. Models love using vitamin C because it helps give them brighter and healthier looking skin by exfoliating dulling surface cells. Next up, to complement the serum, I'll be using the Murad Environmental Shield Vita-C Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. Models always look young and seem to never have any dark circles. This gold stabilized vitamin C eye serum fights the look of dark circles, the blue, brown, and red ones, in as little as 2 weeks. I take 1 pump and apply it underneath the eye area with my ring finger. It's also formulated with light reflecting microminerals that instantly brighten and the red algae to help with puffiness too. These 2 products are exclusively sold at Sephora Canada, and if you're interested in learning more about vitamin C, I'll put a link in the description box below. Another amazing tool to help with dull skin is using a quartz roller or jade roller. I love popping this guy in the fridge so it gives my skin that instant facelift. It's also a great thing to use after serum to help absorption of any products into the skin. And lastly, let's not forget the neck. Models take extreme care of this area because it's one of the first places that show signs of aging. A great skincare tip to help with this area is using a sheet mask and apply this directly to the neck. Here I'm using the Estee Lauder foil mask, and it's super hydrating and perfect to help moisturize this area. Keep your neck looking young and it's half the battle. That's how the models do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.